The best thing ever.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Jamil Ali.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Where are you from, Harry?
I'm from Oromia. Ijoollee Oromiyaa jirtu.
Yeah, well, I can't wait to hear it. Good luck.
Thanks very much.
يا رحمن موتنا ابتسامي هم دينتي من أفرامي أجرا أجر يا رحمن موتنا ابتسامي هم دينتي من فرامي يا خرح مني خي دلن سوء التهي ديلي هجتشودان أواسانا بهي باي إني ديليتو يهنغامو غهي نفبيسي يا ربي كما خدي بي ننسى البيسين كياما قويا كان جبا رب ديرتك خالكي والكابا أدوني سنغوبا فلدور عزبا هالا الأول ليسا المواد أبا قويا رفتورا والفقار أباتو ناسو يساني دائمني أرويتو نفسي جان أنبياء ربيتو أكن تتقافس لبتو ديلويتو من أفرامي أزرا أزر يا رحمن موتي ذات جسامي ومدينتي من أفرامي قلبي دلقادا ربي هندا فيري سيرة خنجامو دل ليري ريف سرك الله كريك شجري ريف سرك الله كريك شجري بخجالي صراط عذاب ربيتي وانتي رجتون بوره جيتي قاري اللي بسو إجان akka hanga suti an shurruqi dabra an kufa khaysati Hojitu madanuf mizana dabama sadafan injiru lamati kodama taka jannatu ma yukhan jahannama lubu tosan qisa Isati kusuma lubu tosan qisa isati
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It really moved me. I just wish your grandmother could see what you've done today, because I'm sure she'd be so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
I really think it takes real courage to put your heart and soul and vulnerability into a song the way that you just did. And it was a fantastic audition.
Writing a song about something that means so much to you, you did it with such emotion and passion. It was just beautiful.
Thank you so much.
It's quite rare that I could remember an audition a month or 6 months later. And this is one I'm going to remember because it was very genuine. It absolutely showed your talent as a songwriter. Yeah, I like you, Harry. I think people are going to get you. We're going to vote. David?
I'm going to say yes.
Alicia?
Easiest yes of the day. Yes, yes, yes.
It's a yes for me, well done.
Harry, guess what? 4 yeses, get ready for the next round.